Hello, in this video we're going to be looking at how we import a variable rate application map to the IV12 monitor via the PLM Connect portal. We're going to look at how we import the VRA map into the PLM Connect portal, how to assign products to the map, and how to export the map to the IV12 monitor from the PLM Connect portal. To start the variable rate import process to the monitor, we obviously need a variable rate application map, and I'm just going to use this one that I created in the old PLM mapping software, the desktop software. And what we have here is the rates. So 600 kilos, 300 kilos, and that's what we'll be looking to send out to the map, to the PLM Connect portal. And so what do we do to get it to that situation? We'll right mouse click and go export, and it'll be a shapefile that goes out. Now this is just using the PLM mapping software. Whatever provider you use, whichever provider you use, it's the same process. We need the shapefile to be able to do the upload. And we can see that it's exported out, and we have our three shapefiles, three parts of the shapefile there. What we need to do is highlight them all, right mouse click, and then go compress to zip file. And so that is now the Vineyard spreading app. That's our variable rate application map. And if you get a compressed folder from your agronomic supplier and whoever is doing the maps for you, absolutely perfect, as long as the underlying maps are in a shape file. So we do that. Now, how do we bring them into the portal? We need to go to Add. Then we'll go to RX Prescription, import a shapefile. We're going to go Upload, and then we'll go to Downloads, and we've got our Vineyard spreading, and this is the compressed folder. That's the one that we want, and we go OK. And so the upload is complete, and that's what we want. I'm going to put them into a group variable rate application maps. You may well want to put them into a group relating to the product that you're going to apply, for example. But that's entirely your choice. If you want to add another one, then just pop the details in the group name for now and for the future. Then we go to Next, and we've got our shapefile, which is what we want. Our input is going to be a fertilizer. If you want to add another one, then you click the pencil, and that's where you can add another product from there, or you can update this one. So that's entirely up to you. Our rate attribute, this is the fertilizer. This is the attribute that we applied during the creation of our map. Whoever you get your map from will have done the same, and so just if you're not 100% sure, then I'll ask them what it is. It's generally a product name, a type of fertilizer, but in this instance it's a fertilizer. Then we'll go Finish, and we can see now that the process status, that the map is scheduled to upload. We can actually close that while it's taking place, and it's scheduled for process. Now this just doesn't take very long at all once you get the maps in there. But the most important thing about this whole process is having boundaries, because whatever rate that you want to go and apply, whatever map you want to import, it has to have be aligned to boundaries in the PLM Connect software. If you don't have boundaries, then it will not work. And so yeah, it comes back to the importance of have your grower, farm and field all set up perfectly for every operation that you want to do. So yeah, we've got the map that's come in now. We've got 600, 300. This is the map that we had before, 600, 300, and so that's exactly what we wanted to see. And so the map is now in the software. What do? Well, we want to export it now out to the monitor. We'll send it as an ISO file. We're going to send it to the equipment, and then we're going to go Next. Our equipment is going to be our tractor, and we see that we've got a well-named tractor. And if you're not sure how to do that, then go and have a look at the video on renaming your vehicle. Very, very useful if you've got more than one connected machine on your account. Then go to Next, And all we're going to do this time is just send out the field, the one field that we have here. Include boundaries, yep. Include swaths, yes. Include prescriptions, yes. And we can see that that is the underlying variable rate application map that we're working with. We'll go next, and we can see the map that is there. Then we go finish. And so our file was successfully sent, which is exactly what we want to see. And now we'll go to the monitor to see what it looks like on the monitor and how to activate it there. So we can see that the file has landed on our monitor from the PLM Connect portal. Do we want to go to Inbox? Yes, we do, to go and have a look at that. We'll go to data. We can see down the bottom corner there that the information had come in, and we can see that the file is here. Now, before we click go to import, what I would encourage you to do, if you haven't done it already, is clear out and delete data from the monitor. What we don't want to be doing is duplicating information or using an old management tree on the monitor when you're bringing a new one in. So deleting it is always a good idea. The data is in the portal anyway, so there's nothing for you to worry about losing data. So when this is the data management area is clear, go to Inbox, select Source, go to Cloud, and we'll choose the right date. It's the bottom one, and we go Select, and we've got our field, and our products is there as well. So that is our fertilizer that we set up in the portal. So we're going to go select them all, and then we'll import selected. The information will be coming into the monitor. We can see in the bottom right hand corner there that is coming in from the cloud. Our import is now complete. If we go to our operations area, I'll use the drop down box. We can see that we've got our grower, our farm and our field, and then we can go to the vineyard spreading. So that will now be our job that we can assign to our machines in the portal. So we've got our tractor and our fertilizer spreader, and we can go from there. If we've got auto field check enabled, then if we're moving from field to field, it will recognise the boundary once we get into the field and select the right variable rate application map for us. And yeah, we just need to set up the implement and do that here. So that's everything that we need to do in the operations area. But that's how we create, import a variable rate application map into the PLM Connect software, export it out via the telematics and into the monitor.